Okay, it's another early season attempt to camp. And we're about 15 miles from Big Pine, and I think this is the top of Eureka Valley. Death Valley is this way, maybe 40 miles or so. I intended to get a little farther up this road down here, but back in this little slot canyon, it's filled with snow. And this is all damp in here where the snow is melted back. I'm gonna go towards this ridge over here, leave the bike here. That's a healthy one. Kind of fresh, maybe a few days. So there's cats back here. That's a good spot here. But I'm being drawn to the tallest tree like usual. This isn't bad here. There's the pine needles to help insulate. Might just work. Might just work right there. I'm tired of looking. Back out here with the 0-degree Kelty bag. Didn't quite keep me warm at 32 last time. Right now the breeze is what's a little cold, but nice now with the sun warming me up. So it's like this way is cold and this way is warm. So what's different this time is I have my Army insert trousers and I have hand warmers if I need those. You know, just kind of a bug out experiment. It's probably the 25th of February. The pack was a little heavy. I was carrying 4 liters of water, 2 of these, and we're tasting Stone Fear movie lions. This peak here was an objective last time. Not this time. It's possible, but it's a lot of trudging through snow. That's a nice treat. There's baby arugula, which will become like a spinach. There's baked tofu and okoyo seaweed flavored ramen. That's going to be tasty. And to top it off, extravagance, some organic raw cheddar cheese. It's going to be amazing. Okay, the first thing that comes to mind when drinking this, after looking at the date on the bottom, mostly because I knew it was getting close to that date, it's actually, the best by date is by today. So does that mean before today or by the end of today, which is the 25th? So the first thing that comes to mind when tasting this is their double IPA profile. This one is unfiltered. I saw one in the bottle and it would have scared somebody, all the clouds and murk at the bottom. This makes me miss the Watermelon Dorado, which was their watermelon double IPA. And it was just like biting the rind of a watermelon taste with a strong IPA beer. This one, however, has that character, and it's kind of a at this point a ripe grapefruit, which is a fabulous thing in my opinion, and perfect now for camping, when I would probably drink fermented baby socks with apple cider. Walking up here, I thought I heard some birds, but I wasn't sure if it was a pack noise or something. And it was like, like that. Okay, so I heard it over here, and I heard it over here. That was a Bluebird. I think the first one I've seen here in this region. The initial whistle is kind of meek, you know, not so harsh, not much attack, and a soft decay. And then agitated, a screeching, maybe like a sparrow. Last night was 32 degrees in the tent, and what's different about this time is that it didn't get as cold early on. I was able to stay up later, and I think the pants helped. I could feel the cold starting to creep, but it was tolerable.